Good morning, students. In the last class, we were seeing about Up You Go lesson. In that, we saw about mountaineering camp and then crossing the river. Today, we are going to see about the rock climbing. See, on which day means on 10th February 1984. Here they are to climb 15 kilometer to reach Tekla village. Through the rock climbing they have to reach it. See here the picture of that it was being given and how many meters of height it was means it is 1600 meters height. Our rucksacks, what does mean by rucksacks means it's a heavy bag. In the see they are having a heavy bag. In that heavy bag they had all their food packets, water bottle, rope, what are all the things they need for us, everything it was with their bag. Wind cheater means it's a warm jacket which one they are wearing, and some other snacks also. They brought some fruits, vegetables, everything they were growing in the steppe fields which one they are crossing. At that time what they saw means they saw a Colonel Ram Singh. He is standing on a 90 meters high flat rock with his pegs and ropes, and he had been told to first observe the rock carefully. While climbing you have to observe the rock carefully and identify the holes, places where we keep put our hands and feet, in which place we have to keep our hand, in which place we should not keep. That are all the things you have to know before climbing. Like that he was instructing. Today I was not going to back out because last time itself I was not courage to cross the river. This time I am very courage and very bold to stood at first. So I am standing at the first in the line, and our instructor tied a rope around his waist. He put the sling means that a belt in a loop form, and held the thick rope which was hanging. He started climbing as if he was running up. We are also following him by step. But at my first step itself, I slipped. But with the hope, I was climbing the rock now. Now I understood how to keep our body while climbing. It should be in 90-degree, and our back should be very straight. We should not bend. If we are bending means just we will be slapped. We have to be very in straight position. Keeping this in mind, I imagine the rock as a flat ground. She's thinking that we are moving on a flat ground, not in a rock. Like that she is imagining, and she is climbing now. Again while coming down, we had to use the rope in a special way, in a rappelling way. So I did this with the same fearlessness. Next incident is a funny incident. It was happened on 14 February 1984. It has happened in the evening. Her name is Kondon B, was feeling very hungry, and we did not have anything to eat that time. We jumped over the fence and got into a field. In that field it was a two big cucumbers. She plucked and came back. While coming back she was caught by a woman, and she was shouting help me like that, and in her own language she is explaining something that is in Mizo language. That field woman could not understand what she was explaining. I'm also trying to explain in Hindi. She could not understand that language also. So finally, we two of them just folded our hands and asked sorry to her. By then, our group had gone far ahead. It was already become dark, and we have lost the way. Even in torches also, we cannot able to find out from which way we came. And it started to sweating because of the fear. Even though it is very cold, it started sweating. I tightly held Okondobi's hand. I called out loudly, but what happens there? No one can hear her, so she just whistled loudly and flashed the torches. Probably the group had noticed that we were missing, and they also at a very distance they also gave a whistle sound. And after that they came back to us, and we were with our group now. And in Mizo language, Kondobi also started to sing loudly. Next, visit of a special guest. After dinner, we met a special guest. His name is Bachandri Pal. and it was happened on 15 February 1980. Selected as a part of the team to climb Mount Everest. She also came and joined to us to climb Mount Everest. She had come to see the blessings of Brihadir Khan Singh. It was a happy evening. We were all singing. Bachandri also joined us in singing and dancing on the famous Bahati song Beduk Baka, Bara Maza, Kafal Pakao Cheta, Mary Chelia. These are all famous songs. These were where they are singing. At that time, we had no idea that Bachandri would become the first Indian woman to reach Mount Everest, and she has created the history. Next, we are going to see about the camp in the snow. This was happened in 18 February 1984. Now they are standing at the height of 2134 meters, and they were here to spend their night here. Everyone was busy trying to put up the tent. We are also trying to put that because there is very cold and chill. We are in as we tied from one side, other side it is was because of the wind it is flaving off. After quite a lot of pulling and tugging, we managed to get the tent up. Then we dug a train around the tent. We were feeling very hungry because of this happens, and we collected some firewood and we cooked some food. After that, we just went to sleep. Our bags are very warm, so keeping that we slept, and we are very tired, so very soon fell asleep. The next morning we woke up and found that it was very snow white, soft, fluffy snowflakes were gently falling. Wow, it was so beautiful. The plants, trees, grass, mountains, everything looked white. Yes, in snow places, if we are there means whatever present around us, it will be fully surrounded by the snow only. So it will be looking very nice. And today they are target is to climb higher to 2007 meters. We walked carefully on the snow with the help of the sticks. It was difficult because we kept slipping. By afternoon, we had reached snow covered mountains. We enjoyed throwing snowballs at each other and making a big snowman. Now it is the last day at camp. It is 21 February 1984. We are all getting ready for the campfire. Each group presented a program like telling jokes, laughing, singing, dancing, and we were very happy. It was a midnight. Brigadir Khan Singh got up and called me. I thought, oh no, what I have done this time. So only he's calling me to school, like that she was thinking. But when sir announced my name for the best performance award, I stood still. He blessed me and tears of joy rolled down my face. After many struggle, I got as a best performer in that camp. And she's saying that she was very happy. Okay, students, you can also imagine that you are also in a mountain, and how do you feel there? What can you see? What do you feel like doing there? You can write your thoughts related to this second part of the Up You Go lesson. You will get the Google form test. Just attend it and do best. Okay, students, we will meet in the next class.